Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So this one I can write into number 3 ln s because b that's about number 3, so we put number 3 go outside about natural law, and that's why we have this one in here. Next we need to use about integration by substitution, so I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both side. We have the u equals to the s over s. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. Now we have the formula of this one. The integration of a to the power of bs ds, we will have about a to the power of bs over ln a multiplied by b, and we put about c. Now we apply the formula for this one in here. So we have about number 2 multiplied by b to the power of 3u over number 3 ln of b, and we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.